Alright, here's a demo of my Pump.fun meme coin trading bot. The meme coin trading bot scrapes data from Pump.fun. If you don't know what Pump.fun is, it's a website where anyone can create a cryptocurrency and people can buy into it and sell the cryptocurrency later for a profit or loss. Basically, this bot uses a neural network to predict whether the cryptocurrency is going to rise or fall. I trained 20 randomly generated neural networks, and I selected the one that had the best trading returns when predicting a rise or fall in price. As you can see, it shows here the name of the cryptocurrency, the trading ticker symbol, the market cap, which you can see a lot of these are pretty low market cap, like $4,000, $5,000, $6,000, $7,000. The mint ID, which is the contract address, the last price, the description, and whether we're in the market. We're only in the market for 3 of these right now. If we click one of these, let's say dork, we can scroll down here and see a candlestick chart. This is the price chart. The thin line represents the high and low. The thick bar represents the open and close. If it's blue, that means it rose in price during that 1 minute period. If it's red, it means it fell in price during that 1 minute period. This is a list of all our trades that we've made. As you can see, a lot of these are profitable. So that's just a high-level overview of how the bot works. I trained it using Deep Learning 4J, which is a Java machine learning library for training neural networks. So I just let it run overnight with 20 randomly generated neural networks, and most of them had a similar output by the end. There was one that had a different output, and that's the one I'm using. Even when I found that a sigmoid activation function seems to be the most useful for the middle layers, and an identity function seems to be the most useful activation function for the output layers. The loss function that I used was customized. I made it the simulated trading performance, so it's not using mean squared errors. It simulates trading performance. Yeah, a lot of winners here. But anyways, it simulates trading performance to predict whether the price is going to rise or fall. And if the price is greater, if the output neuron is greater than the current price, then it buys. If it's less than the current price, then it sells short. The actual Pump.fun site doesn't allow short selling, but in training I use short selling to simulate downturns so that the model would be trained to predict rises and falls. So it generally produces a much larger number. If we come and look at this, I can't find it. Anyways, I use the same matrix background that my consulting website uses. Here's my consulting website. I use the same background that my consulting website uses just because I like the hackerish look. Right now it's set up to trade 8 different coins. But it can trade unlimited coins in theory. We're still in the market with several of these. 4 of them, actually. See where it says exit price dash? That's because we haven't exited. The entry time is listed here. This one right here is a winner. This one's a loser. This one's a loser. But overall, it's net profitable. So that's the good news about it.